Hi y'all, welcome to Super Crafty Gal. Today we are unboxing Craft Resin brand A B Resin. It's supposed to be a high gloss, low viscosity, clear resin. As you can see, it came in just a small bottle. This is the 17 ounce, I think it is. Okay, and in the box it comes with a pair of gloves, and then the part A and part B, a craft stir stick. And it's actually quite flexible. Great size. Alright, the bottle of hardener. And I want to open them up and smell them to see what kind of scent comes off of them. Trusty scissors. And smell really doesn't have a lot of smell. All right, and here's the resin. Same size bottle. Get my trusty scissors again. And this one really didn't have a smell either. All right. It comes with a thank you card with a discount. And here are the gloves. And that's it. That's what came in the package. Thanks for tuning in. Check back with us for our upcoming craft videos using this 2-part epoxy resin. And we hope to see you again soon. Thanks.